Okay, so today we're going to be trying out this new rescue fly trap. Well, new to me because there are so many flies in my yard recently. So me and my husband were looking around for some stuff that we could possibly use. And after a bunch of research, this is what came up. And I wanted to try this first because I believe it was only like $6. And so first off, we're going to be ripping off the top and pulling out the little green vent clip thing. And it says to fill up the bag up to the line, which is what we're going to do. The instructions on this seem pretty easy. It just says to cut a hole, fill it up with water, and tie it outside. So hopefully this thing works. Because I do live out in the ranch where people have a lot of farm animals. So I'm assuming that's why there's so many flies around here. And especially with the canal we have in the back that's just sitting full of water. So here we do get a lot of mosquitoes as well. Okay, now that I'm done tying the rope, we're going to go ahead and hang it under our lila tree. Hopefully we're able to catch something. And inside that bag, there's just like a littler bag, I guess. And I don't know what's inside of it. I don't think the bag said what's inside of it, but it's just floating in there and it says it's supposed to dissolve or something like that. So we'll see. Okay, this is literally a couple hours later, that same day. And we have a few flies, but let me tell you guys something. This thing really stinks. It stinks so bad that I had to move it to the back of my yard into the open air because, oh, this smells horrible. It kind of smells like fish, which maybe that's what's inside this poison. But I'm assuming that's what attracts the flies. But oh, no. This smells really bad. So bad. As soon as we moved it over here, the flies started coming at us like crazy. Now I'm going to leave it here for a couple of days. Let's see how it looks. Now this is literally, I think about maybe 3 days later. This thing, oh my god, you guys can see that maggot right there. This thing was infested with flies. Look at the big fat maggot. And for some reason, the water at the bottom is all gone. Like there's no water. That's pure flies. It filled up most of the bottom of the bag. And oh, look at those big maggots. So right now, me and my husband are going to fill this thing back up with water. And let's see if we can catch more flies. Because here they look like they're just flying around. But I think you need water for them to be able to drown in that poison. Oh, and the stink got even worse. Even worse, if you can believe that. I had chills when I was standing next to this thing. And even as I'm rewatching this to do my voiceover, I still have chills. Like, ooh! Those things were buzzing really loud. This bag really does work though. So if you're gonna get it, I do recommend it. But put it in the back of your yard where nobody's gonna have to smell it because ew, it really does smell like rotten fish. And this is how it looks like from when I got far away from it because the stink was disgusting. And now that we filled it up with water, this is what it looks like. The bag, oh wow. Like there's just so many flies. Who would have known this? I was truly shocked and amazed at this little bag. It caught so many flies. Yeah, so I do recommend this, but put in the back of your yard where nobody's gonna have to smell it or be near these flies.